Hey guys, we're here in St. Anne to bring you another wonderful development. Welcome to the Delpratt family, and you know we got you covered. So today we are in the beautiful parish of St. Anne and we are at Lakeside View Park. Alright, and we're just excited to show you this property. Jaden saw it and Jaden was like, I like this. I like these houses, so I know that we're not gonna like it too. We're now standing in front of the 3-bedroom model unit, and come along, let's see what it has to offer. Guys, so as you can see, we are standing in front of the garage, automated door open the garage. You have your bricked paved driveway, and you also have your landscaped area at the front, and every unit will come with one of these. With me guys, so as we enter, we see that there are steps to come up to your front, and it's a beautiful broad entryway that is so beautiful. You have your gorgeous natural wood by-4 doors, and these we were told was made locally.
Right, very beautiful. I noticed these pieces in the door, that detail, very elegant. Yes.
When you enter, you have a nice spacious living room area, and this is awesome because you can definitely you can definitely see the value in having such a huge living room area. Room to entertain, guys. You have enough space to have a gorgeous entrance table. Use your imagination with me, guys. A gorgeous entrance table. You still have enough room to walk through to the rest of the house without breaking the conversation going on. Let's not forget, guys, that we have the garage door right here. So you can always enter the living room from the garage. Alright? So one more thing that I would love to point out is these tall ceilings. It's really nice, but it's gonna come really significant in the next room that I'm gonna show you. Alright, but come along. We have base molding in each room and the crown molding up top, which is just gorgeous. And we have our entryways that are really high and nice. So down this side, we also have a really comfortable dining area. We have our dining area, which is really nice, and it leads into our flush open traditional kitchen with large counter spaces. And we have quartz countertop. Alright? Now these cabinetry, they are awesome. These are also natural and made in Jamaica as well. So as you can see, we have tons of storage space in this area. Awesome. The open and close is very easy for these, and they are beautiful. I love the color of these. They are just natural color. The color is perfect. Perfect. Alright, and the space is really nice. So you can utilize the space for a lot of things. Picture right here, you have your busy Christmas dinner going on. Perfect. Alright, then we have this is the space right here. You can definitely put your fridge right here and your stove right there. And yeah, perfect. Alright guys, so let's take a minute to appreciate this development. Alright, so we have 3 phases. And in phase 1 and 2, you'll have 2 and 3 bedroom units. And in phase 3, you'll only have town houses. Alright? Now, we're in the 3 bedroom, and Adrian will tell you what's up with that.
So we're here in the 3 bedroom unit, actually comprising 3 bedroom, 2 bath, and a garage. Alright? Enclosed, mind you, as you'll see, further. Alright, the starting price for these is $300,000 US. The square footage for the 2-bedroom units is 1,674, and they are all placed on quarter-acre lots, very, very massive. Nice potential for what you can do. You can put a pool around there, you can add on to the back if you want. Alright, a lot of potential, guys. In phase 3, they'll have townhouses, 3-bed, 3-bath with garage. Alright, the price will be $250,000, guys. So very, very well priced, especially when you comparing other developments around. You're here in Centon, only about 10 minutes from Ocho Rios, guys. Very, very centrally located. If you're interested in purchasing, you can definitely hit us up. Alright, the Delpratt Family at gmail.com. Also, more info will be in the description, guys. As I said, if you're interested in purchasing, you can hit us up at the Delpratt Family at gmail.com. We definitely provide you more information. Alright?
Guys, the other amenities of this beautiful development. You have pool, 24-hour security, as it is a gated community, and you have a basketball court.
Paved driveways all around.
Kids play area.
There will be a gazebo as well. A central area for the residents of the community can entertain.
Yes,
right.
Pool, if I haven't mentioned it already. Yes. And we're going to have...
There will be a lake, guys.
A lake.
Yes, so there will be a lake here that you can actually do fishing. So can you imagine that?
Recreational activity to kill. And trust me, we went fishing on a lake today fishing. I'm gonna.
Best thing.
Okay guys, so one of the cool features that I love is the moldings along the doors or the entrance to this unit. Alright, it really lifts and gives another feel of elegance, you know, and I love that. I love that. Of course, you have your natural doors. Let me show you. You have your natural doors. Even on the inside, you have very, very good doors. Sometimes you get the cheap doors on the inside, but these are
well made, locally, of course.
Yes.
Alright, these will last for a very, very, very long time, guys, because these are made of treated wood. Alright, solid, natural treated wood.
Yeah. So when we enter, the first thing I saw that really stood out to me was the tall ceilings. So in the living room, you do have tall ceilings as well, but because the area is so big, it's not that, you know. But when I come in the bedrooms, so these tall ceilings, they make a big difference. It makes a big difference. Of course, you have your crown molding and your base moldings as well. So in each bedroom, we have 2 huge windows, and that is great for those persons out there like myself who are natural light fanatics. Perfect, perfect. So you have this big space, can definitely hold your king bed. So guys, you can definitely fit your king set in here with your nice chair over this side. Like, come on, use your imagination. You can have your nice accent chair over this side, right? And your king bed over this side. Awesome. So you have your walk-in closet right here, and you also, and I love this, you also have additional spacing up above, right? So you can put all your linens up above for your master bedroom, and that is awesome. Okay, no storage. I'm always saying this, storage is everything when you move in, all right? So now we're about to go in the bathroom, and Adrian is gonna carry you through that section.
Here we're in the bathroom, and again we have these very nice door moldings. As Cass said, they're all around the apartment. They're very, very beautiful. Alright, when you come on inside, again natural wood. These are painted white, but nonetheless they are all locally made cabinetry, guys. Alright, and you have your quartz countertop, your standard fixtures. Right. What I really like also the fact that they done away with the medicine chest. We've seen that more and more these days because the medicine chest is now becoming obsolete. So they have this nice glass flush against the wall with the molding around, quite nice. Alright, and here also they have the bathtub. It's optional, you can either use a bath, you can go with the bathtub or you can go with the shower enclosure. The choice is yours.
I will show you the shower enclosure in just a few.
Yes. Alright, tile, quite nice. Very nice wall porcelain tiles. complements the porcelain tiles that we have on the floor going all around the unit, guys. Alright. Ceiling is very beautiful as well. Nice straight ceiling. Alright. Very nice. With your moldings continuing. Moving from this primary bedroom, guys, we're going back into the living area so we can go to the secondary bedrooms, guys. So come on.
We're following Adrian.
Yes.
We have a nice entryway right here.
Yep.
And as we enter, we see this open door, and that is our shared bathroom.
Yeah.
Yes.
In this shared bathroom, there's no light in the unit, guys. So pardon us if the lighting is a little bit on the lower side. Right? It's a new development and the lighting is not yet in. But nonetheless, here we go. Inside here, as we mentioned before, you have the option between the tub or the shower enclosure, and in this bathroom you have your shower enclosure.
Yes.
Alright, look nice and high quality. Alright, these are aluminum with the sliding doors. Feel very much upscale. This is like a 3/8 thick glass. Alright. Yes.
And they have a little outlet in the wall right there, so you can put all of your needed shower.
This is the recess area right here.
Yes. So we have our mirror right here that Adrian was talking about.
Yes.
And we have our counter space. What I do like though is that every counter space there is enough space for you to do your decor item and to still have your functional items like your hand washing soap and your toothbrush and toothpaste and all those fancy stuff. So you can do that. You also have storage in each area as well, as you'll find right here, which is awesome. So we have 3 bedrooms in this unit. You saw the master bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 2. So this is bedroom number 2, and as you can see, you still have your gorgeous windows that you can get your light in. But look right here.
Nice big closet.
You have closet space, baby. This feels more quality, you know, and you don't have that slamming effect with this.
Yeah,
right?
just like that.
Slamming effect. No, I love the fact that you get so much space with these closet areas. And you can also utilize up the top as well. You can modify it for greater storage. Let's go to bedroom number 3. Across the hallway. And we have bedroom number 3. And we also have the closet spaces over this side. And we have 2 big windows as well, to let in as much light as you want, and high ceilings. Yes. And you know, with these modern homes nowadays, they're all coming equipped for air condition and such the like. So knock yourselves out, guys. What I also noticed too is that there is sufficient outlets.
Oh, the plugs, yes.
There is sufficient electrical outlets, because that is one of the big peeves of being in a room where you have to be stretching cords over all across the place to try and charge your phone, to do this, to do that. So yeah, that's a big plus. Yeah, I like the spacing.
So we're back into the living / dining area, guys.
Yeah.
And we're gonna show you the, what they call it, like a study area. Or you can do whatever you wanna do with the area over here. So it's like, it's a semi-open concept. If you realize over the door openings, there are a lot of arches and stuff like that. So it gives you that more of a traditional feeling, guys. It's still an open concept with that kind of semi, you know, in the middle kind of vibe.
Yes.
So come on, let's see the space over here.
Alright guys, so we're into this space right here. It's leading out of the dining room.
Yep. You can make this a nice study area if you want.
So you can make this your office space, your den, your reading corner, your, you know what I would use this for, babe?
Let's see here.
I would use this for a kiddie play area.
Keep it right in here.
Right there. When they're cooking in the kitchen and doing your house chores, you can look at the kids while they play.
Right, they can have a little low enclosure thing right there to keep them in, right?
Until they find out how to, until they learn how to climb. I like it.
Yeah, there's also a little storage area right here.
Yes.
That you can tuck stuff away, because we know sometimes, you know, over a period of living somewhere, you accumulate a lot of stuff, and stuff that you don't use all the time, they get in the way, and the place gets very, very cluttered. So in this unit, guys, there's plenty of storage. All right, this way, guys, to the back patio. So let's see.
And the laundry room.
Yep.
Every woman wants to know what's going on there.
Yes, we're gonna show you the laundry room afterwards. Yes. Right, so this is the back patio. Very, very spacious. You know, and even the backyard too. As we had said, all of 1/4 acres. Right, so after your 1900 square foot of houses on the land, you still have plenty of space where you can put a kiddies park around here, you can put your barbecue, you can put a swimming pool. It's up to you. It's up to you.
The list goes on, right?
The list goes on.
So you have your wide open area that you can definitely utilize. Since there's going to be a pool on the property, you can put your little jacuzzi. Jacuzzi. So back from outside, and I'm sure you want to know about this area. So you have your laundry area. I like the spacing. You can definitely pick and choose what you want to do with this space. Look here. You have this space right here. You can put your washing machine, your dryer. You can put your cabinetry on the wall. You can have your sink. You can have your little storage area built right here and right here. I'll put it right here. I'll put a storage area right here that you can have all your productions. And for those persons who love to watch those videos on YouTube like myself about organizing and putting your little pretty little, you know, jars with your cleaning stuff.
Yes.
You can do it here.
Yep.
Hey guys, did you like our video? Give us a thumbs up.
Yes, we definitely enjoyed this story, guys, so we're sure you did too.
Yep.
Alright? And as we said, guys, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, you can definitely send us an email at thedelprattfamily@gmail.com. Alright guys, so as Kia said, give us a thumbs up, guys.
Subscribe to the Delpratt Family channel if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification bell, ensure the setting is on all, so every time we post a video, you will know. Link us up in the comment section, guys, so let us know what you think about this development.
Yes.
Alright? And remember, link will be in the description box for any form of contact info you want.
Alright guys, so thank you. Peace out,
Peace
guys.
out.
Yep.
Walk good.
Yeah, man.